Okay, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to sell a graded coin on Stack and Sell. Stack and Sell is a free platform for you to register and create an account, and it gives you the option to gives you another option of as far as liquidating your coin collection if you purchased a graded coin through 7K or one of the other organizations out there where you can actually purchase graded coins. But what's really nice about this, it's very simple to get your account set up, and it's very easy to actually scan your coin because graded coins all have a barcode and a serial number. And with Stack and Sell, it has a real nice option where you just actually scan your coin, and within 2 or 3 seconds, all the information is inputted up onto Stack and Sell, so you can actually see the vital information about the coin and its value and everything for you. So in order to get started, you would go to stackandsell.com. That's STACKNSELL.com. And then what you're going to want to do is here, hit this button that says Start Stacking. And it's going to ask you to create a free account. So you put your name, first name, last name, your cell phone, email address. You put in a password, you create a password, and then you verify that and click Enroll. Now, in this case here, I'm actually already a member, so I'm going to go ahead and, let's log in. Log in with an existing account. All right. So prior to this video, what I did is I actually uploaded the Benjamin Franklin 5-ounce PF70 Ultra Cameo that I had just received from 7K. And what I'm going to show you with this example here is what kind of information it does show you after you have your coin scanned and uploaded. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you click on your coin that you have, it's going to tell you exactly what it is, 5-ounce silver coin, 2021 PF70, the current market value, which is $6.99 because it's just released. So it's like there are still a few of these available on 7K. So once they are no longer available, because there was only a mintage of 776. So you see right here, it gives you all the information about the coin, the year of the issue, which mint it came from, the face value of the coin, which is $25, and the purity, the 5 troy ounce metal, and the purity of 0.999 fine silver. So in this case here, with this, just by scanning it with Stack and Sell, it'll show you who the grader was, the serial number, the grade, the year, weight, and Cookson where it was minted. Okay, so what's really nice about this feature with Stack and Sell is once you have the coin up there, you can actually click and actually, hopefully this is still recording. Yes, it pulls it up in another screen, but you actually can see the front of the coin, just how it looks. All right. And then if you want, you can see the back of the coin. All right. So here you can see with NGC, Numismatic Grading Guarantee Corporation, what they do is they verify that the coin is legitimate. They're the ones who grade it, so they're putting their name on it, so they want to make sure that it is definitely what it is. But like I said, when you have your coin, there's the barcode right there, and then there's the serial number, so everything is traceable and trackable. Okay, so what we're going to do here is what you want to do is after you create your account, you can do this on your desktop or laptop or what have you. But when you go to when you go to scan your graded coin, you want to make sure that I highly recommend you use it on your phone, because I tried to do it here on my desktop, and because the barcode that comes across the screen is so big, it's hard for it to focus in on the serial number. But when I held it underneath my cell phone, within, I'd say maximum, it was like between 2 and 3 seconds, all the information is inputted into your account. So how it works is when you get to this page, you hit the how it works, and it actually tells you how to stack, how you actually can upload and sort your collection. Okay. Yeah, it also tells you how to sell it, how you can buy, because some people, especially with like 7K, where 7K had a lot of different collections that they put out our series. And there's certain ones that people, if it was on a coin drop or something like that, where there was a limited amount of time or a limited quantity, a lot of people couldn't get on at that time for whatever reason and may have missed out. So you can actually buy on Stack and Sell as well. It's great for liquidating your collection if that's what you want to do, or sell to other people. But then you can also buy as well. And it's authenticated. So everything that is, that you upload is verified by people to actual people as well before the transaction goes through. So once you click your, once you go ahead and click the item that you have, if you want to try and sell it, you can actually, even though like it'll show the market value because there's a limited quantity on some of these coins, you can actually name your own price. So it's just a matter of how you want to do it. But what's nice about Stack and Sell is it's not like eBay or some of these other companies where you can sell online, where you have to actually put your address, and then if some people are worried about other people finding their address because of reasons for security purposes. But in this case here, when you transact through Stack and Sell, the person that receives your coin doesn't ever know your exact address, and vice versa. Like if you bought from somebody, you would never know that person's address. So it gives you a little bit added measure of security. So this gives you an option as far as how you can actually liquidate your coin collection, because with 7K, with the autosaver program that they have, the one shipment a month, you're going to get a PF70 or an MS70 graded coin, or in this case here, if it's something gold related, it's usually PF70. So this gives you another option of liquidating your coin collection. Okay, and this is something where a lot of questions that always come up is, well, what's the difference between a raw silver coin and a graded silver coin? Well, a silver coin that's graded in MS70, which is perfectly graded, it's always going to maintain the highest market value. Okay, and this is something where collectors especially are looking for highly graded coins. So in this case here, if you have an MS70 American Silver Eagle, that's going to have more value than the actual raw silver coin, because with it being MS70, it's perfect, and there's no higher grade that you can get. So it's going to command a higher, a top dollar when it comes to as far as selling your coin, or if you have a collection, if you want to put it together. And like in the one presentation that I do, I show a clip of the $1.2 million mistake where, if you collected the Silver Eagle since 1986, that collection today is worth over $1.2 million. But if you do it incrementally, that's the beauty about, 7K's program, is that if you just collect one coin a month or purchase one coin a month, you're saving for your future, but over the course of time, it's going to maintain its value and then some. Okay, so I hope you got some good insight from this. And if you wanted to, I'll just show you real quick the marketplace. So there's a lot of, you can see here, there's hundreds of thousands of coins that people have listed on here. So it's not just something through 7K, because you can see, like here, this is an American Silver Eagle. This is an MS69 1-ounce Silver Eagle. Okay, so this has got that 7K logo, or the 7K label. This one here is a 7K label, but you also see these other ones on here that don't necessarily have the 7K logo. Okay, so in this case here, this one does not. So there's other companies that, sell graded coins. And like in this case here, like with anything, you're going to see the NGC label on all of them. But a lot of these, there's other companies out there that sell them. So it's not just 7K that is selling coins to people. So you have different types of grading systems too here as well. So in all these cases here, like if you clicked on something, let's do something like, let's check this one here. So in this case here, you can see that this is an MS70. It's a ultra highly relief MS70, and that shows what the market value of this coin here is. Okay, so this is actually, let me see if they got the back of it. Okay, so here's the back, and you can actually zoom in, and hopefully this is still showing. So it'll show you, in this case here, this was made in 2021, and it looks like there's 501, and this is number 436. So this is how detailed Stack and Sell is. So you can actually see quite a bit. And I know, to my knowledge, I don't think that was the asking price when that first came out. So that's actually gone up in price from what I know. But this just goes to show you how many different people use Stack and Sell, and it's a safe means of, selling your coins and, your collection. And say if you even maybe sometime you picked up one and then you decided you want to go with that as part of your collection, you could always come back on here and list it. So this gives you another option to sell or liquidate your coin collection. I mean, there's still the option of selling it back to 7K, because they'll gladly purchase anything back that you bought from them. And they actually do, from what I understand, they do purchase private collections as well. But usually with 7K system, you have you contact them, they send you a form, You fill out the form with what coins you're sending back. You send it back to them FedEx. They get it, they inspect it, and based on the, what you sent them and the market value that day, they will give you the top, the highest buyback price in the industry. So they're really a great company to work with, and it's very easy to do. But this is just another option for you to do with Stack and Sell. And then also you have the options, of course, the silver and gold places or coin collectors. But I would encourage you to at least check out Stack and Sell, because it's a nice way to keep track of your collection as well. So you can actually, even if you never want to sell them, you can still keep an inventory of them, and anytime you want, you can actually go and see the current market value of what you have collected so far. So I hope everybody got some great insight from this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org, and I look forward to working with you and having you as part of the team. Thank you. Take care.